lately, right? And I'm here with my friend Ritu Java, and Ritu's amazing. She does so many awesome things in the advertising space. She's taught me so much about pay-per-click advertising. Her PPC software, PPC Ninja, is one of my favorites, and it really helps me. It bugs me a lot, which I love about it, because it's like, hey, did you check your campaigns lately? Like, it's really, really awesome. So, I'm honored to have Ritu as one of our speakers at the upcoming AI Summit. And Ritu and I both spoke at Kevin King's BDSS, and we were both talking about AI there too. So we're like kindred spirits in AI, and it's
Yes.
so much fun. So Ritu, tell everybody how you got into AI.
Yeah. So first of all, I'm so excited to be here. I am, I totally loved Amy's presentation at the BDSS. I listened to it and I was like, yes, this is Amy. She's like 10 steps ahead of everybody else. And she's already tried things and not just tried it. I mean, she's giving you so much information. And, that's always how Amy is, right? Everybody knows that. But anyway, I got into AI actually through just being generally an early adopter of things. I generally like to try things out quickly, but then I also am a podcast junkie, so I'm always on podcasts, and I caught wind of it like pretty early on, where people like I think Roland Fraser and others were talking about it, and I was like, okay, this is going to change the world. And so I was kind of already prepared for something that was about to explode. And then I was like, okay, let's do it. Let's sign up. Let's get in the waiting list. And then, slowly we all got into the you got accepted, and here we are. We're actually using it almost every day. I'm on the paid versions for most of these AI tools that I'm using pretty regularly. So yeah, every day is fun.
Oh, yes, I completely agree. I'm also a paying tool member, a paying member of many tools.
Right?
But I'm using them every day and they provide me so much value. So,
Yes.
I don't mind at all. It really saves a lot of time and replaces a lot of work and, work that I'd be paying people to do. So it's just really incredible. So speaking of what AI does, what are you excited to share with people for your summit topic?
Yeah, so I think I started I'm actually on a mission to create 100 tools for myself. And these are basically just little tools that help me do little things. And already around like 20 or so. I shared about 10 of them at the BDSS. And then since then, I've just been creating more and more like micro tools that help me in various aspects of advertising, right? For myself, for my clients. And yeah, I think what I want to do in the actual summit is give people a glimpse of what's possible. And so I will be sharing some of these tools that I've been creating for myself. And then also the thought process that goes into coming up with them, because I know people might be overall kind of impressed with what ChatGPT can do. Everybody's like tried asking it questions and they all see, wow, this is smart, this can give me answers, sometimes stupid answers, but for the most part, sensible answers. But then how do you get started? Like, how do you jump on this, this train that's going very fast? So I'm going to try and, give examples of tools that I've created using AI. And then I'll also explain like the thought process that brought them to life.
Oh, that's cool. I cannot wait for that. I was working with Anthony Lee the other day for his presentation, and he's showing like how to automate, how to replace basically your processes in your business using these, tool, like building your own kind of processes inside of like Integromat or make.com, that kind of thing. And what he showed just blew me away. And I can't wait to get after it. So I know just this morning, I was talking with ChatGPT. I wanted to build a formula helper for Google Sheets because I'm always building formulas in Google Sheets and I suck at formulas. So I asked ChatGPT if they could help me build a Chrome extension for me to use when I'm inside of Google Sheets in order to help me with formulas, to automatically bring up a formula helper that ChatGPT can be integrated with. And of course, I got the step-by-step instructions, but I'm missing some of those core components for doing that because I'm not a developer. And I know that I can have a deeper conversation with ChatGPT, but I also know that attending this summit, not just hosting it, but attending it and learning from people that are already doing this and seeing it actually done in front of me is going to make such a huge difference. So I can't wait till I can even better execute on some of these ideas that I have. And I love this challenge that you're doing of 100 tools. That's so cool. It's so inspiring. I can't wait to see them. That's so cool.
Yeah, I think, Amy, you and I share something in common. Like, I know you are definitely an overachiever. Can I call you that and not offend you? You are definitely into everything, right? So I like goals, and I don't know if I'll ever get to 100. I mean, that doesn't matter. The number doesn't matter. It's mostly like an impossible target, right? I love impossible targets because then it forces me to get even halfway to the point, right? So it's like climbing a mountain. So
well, if you guys want to come and check out what Ritu is building and have her give you some steps to building your own tools, definitely join us at the summit. You can use Ritu's code RITUAI, that's RITUAI, at amazingathome.com/AI to save $50 on your tickets. And if you buy your tickets right now, you can get them for as low as $49 because we have a sale going on right now. So that's just stupid cheap for 2 days, over 20 plus experts, and learning from all these workshops how to do everything from launching a new business to growing your operations and fully integrating AI into your team and your operations. Like, that's amazing. And I don't really know. I mean, I know there's like some ChatGPT summits, but I don't know any summits that are actually going to this depth of level of actually showing people like, hey, this is what I'm doing. This is how I'm getting into this. This is more than just a ChatGPT prompt. And not that those aren't great things to have, but it's really good for us to be able to take that and just build on it so that we can really automate it and utilize it in our businesses every day. So before we let Ritu go, we have to ask you the question we've asked everyone. What is one tip that you can share with the audience today that they can implement right away with AI?
Yeah, that's a good one. So, I would say sign up for Bing AI. Like, I know that everybody has access to ChatGPT by now, but there's something additional with Bing AI that gives you literally access to the internet. And it's just amazing. So just get in line for that as soon as you can.
Oh, wow. So how do you actually do that? How do you sign up for, I'm sure I can Google it or Bing it. Ritu's clearing her throat here. But how do we actually sign up for Bing AI?
So if you're on a Mac, you'll need to download Edge. That's the only way you can get Bing. And then just on Edge, just Google Bing AI. So they've done it really nicely. They've actually integrated Bing Chat right into their kind of search bar area. So like you have the search bar where you can type anything, but if you want to chat, there's a button right off of that, right below it, and then you click on that, and then you can get into their AI. I mean, I had to wait for it, like I think a couple of weeks, but the sooner you get on that, the faster, the better. Because I have been doing things like giving Bing. Maybe I'm giving away too much, but anyway, yeah,
well,
there
no,
you go.
this is great. So you can bring up Edge. I'm just following Ritu's instructions, guys. Look at this. It's right here. I'm Bing, your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. Get started. Open Bing Chat. I've never done this before. This is like brand new. Oh, wow.
It is. Wow. Like, why don't we just do a quick test? Ask it to give you I mean, we might be off here, but just say, what are the top 10 garlic presses on Amazon.com or something like that. It actually, sometimes it even gives you URLs that go straight to those products. Yeah, let's see what it shows.
Searching for the top and garlic
Yeah,
presses.
so it will actually pick up all the indexed pages that it has access to. So wherever, you know, yeah, these products are already indexed on the web, so on the internet. So it'll be much faster for you to do kind of product comparison and so on. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Like literally it gives you links and stuff. So I found this a lot richer than just the plain chat GPT. Now, of course, this uses ChatGPT or the GPT-3 or GPT 3.5 API in the back, but it has a little extra something, which I love, which I really find interesting. And it's like giving you links and stuff as well. So I would say definitely play with this. It'll give you a very good experience.
I love this tip. Very cool. I'm definitely going to play with Bing Chat more often. And I've also been, I just discovered one called Write Sonic. It's like Write, like WRITE Sonic. And that one is also really cool. It uses the web too, and it has this Chrome extension that basically follows you around the internet, and you can use that to kind of chat and immediately write things and stuff like that. So that I thought was a cool tool too, but definitely going to check this out. Really, really cool. Thank you for the tip today, Ritu. And everybody, thank you for tuning in to this another great speaker interview, speaker spotlight for our upcoming AI Summit. We hope to see you guys there. Use your coupon code RITUAI at amazingathome.com/AI. And we'll see you guys at the summit. Have a great day.
See you guys.